Article 6, Part 3 of 5. No state shall lay any imposts or duties which may interfere with any stipulation in treaties entered into by the United States in Congress assembled, with any king, prince, or state, in pursuance of any treaties already proposed by Congress to the courts of France and Spain. K-Notes. A person may conclude that this prohibits the states from interfering in treaties entered into by the United States in Congress assembled. It does not. But apparently, the states may interfere with any stipulation in treaties that the Congress entered into, so long as they do not interfere with any proposals to the courts of France and Spain. And then we wonder why we get in the trouble we experience.